evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Coors Field for the second game of this three-game series between the Los Angeles Dodgers and your Colorado Rockies. At this time, let's meet tonight's starting lineups, printed and delivered by the UPS Store. First for the visiting Los Angeles Dodgers, as announced by manager Don Mattingly. Leading off, playing second base, number 14, Mark Ellis. Batting second, playing right field, number 66, Yasiel Puig. Batting third, playing first base, number 23, Adrian Gonzalez. Batting fourth, playing shortstop, number 13, Hanley Ramirez. Batting fifth, playing left field, number 16, Andre Ethier. Batting sixth, playing center field, number 27, Matt Kemp. Batting seventh, doing the catching, number 17, A.J. Ellis. Batting eighth, playing third base, number 5, Juan Uribe. Batting ninth, doing the pitching, number 21, Zach Greinke. The starting lineup for your Colorado Rockies. Announced this evening by manager Walt White. Leading off, playing center field, number 6, Corey Dickerson. Batting second, playing second base.
I thought you've been in a relationship with Amanda. Why did you have to re-add Amanda's relationship? I thought you...
Batting third, playing left field, number 5, Carlos Gonzalez.
Okay.
Batting fourth, playing right field, number 3, Michael Cuddyer. Batting fifth, doing the catches, number 20, Willeen Rosario. Batting sixth, playing first base, number 17, Nelson. Batting seventh, playing third base, number 28, Nolan Arenado. Batting eighth, playing shortstop, number 18, Jonathan Cabrera. Batting ninth, doing the pitching, number 32, Tyler Chatwood.